This video documents the preparation of surface defects where a grinder cannot. Surface grinding is done here to make the voids more easy to see. The prevalence of holes supports a skim coat being the most efficient repair method. Because the repair material will be an epoxy, shot blasting is done to prep inside these cavities. A grinder can't clean to the bottom of these surface defects. A closer look at the shot blasted path. The voids are clean below the concrete surface. The sides and bottom of each hole have been thoroughly prepared. Looking at the area prepared by diamond grinder, the voids are not clean. Old dirt, salt, and other contaminants are still stuck to the bottoms and sides of each hole. This concrete's cavities, prepared by shot blasting, are clean. Since the process of grinding is ineffective to clean below the concrete surface, shot blasting is done to fully clean what will be patched. Following this is 100% solids epoxy to fill all the slab's voids. The resin is expected to flow into all the imperfections, soak their walls and bottoms, and harden. Absent the previous contaminants, it's reasonable to expect maximum adhesion. And that's about it. Preparation of surface defects where a grinder cannot.